everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to fix add friend not showing on Facebook. So for that, first of all, open the Facebook application and get logged in into your account. Once you have been logged in into your account, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. Tap that. Now you scroll down and tap on setting and privacy. Tap on setting. Here, inside setting and privacy, you need to scroll down to the audience and visibility and tap on blocking. Now here, all you have to do is, if you accidentally block that person, you need to unblock their name from the block list. Once you start searching for the name, you will be able to add them. The add friend not showing on a profile is maybe because you have blocked, or blocking someone causes this add friend option to disappear from the profile. If you have blocked number of people, you need to unblock them before you can add them as friend. So the second option for how you can fix this is you need to go to the audience and visibility. There you need to tap on how people find and contact you. There you will see these few options. Who can send you friend request? You click upon that. Currently, the friend request option is for everyone. Everyone on Facebook will be able to send a friend request to you. To minimize this, or let's say for others to not have that add friend option, you can tap on friends of friend. If this is set to friends of friends, the other person won't be able to see the add friend unless you have mutual friends. This might be a one way to solve the add friend option not showing. So this is how you can fix add friend not showing on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.